This is a demonstration of how the form progress indicator works. On the top bar is a download task simulation that runs from 0 to 100%. This download operation goes through 10 steps, or you can say it's downloading 10 different files. I have also programmed the simulation to select random steps from 2 to 15, so you might notice the steps count change. I also added a function that changes the progress indicator height and theme. In this extension, I made 5 preset themes which will be applied at random to this progress bar. The second bar is meant to simulate some kind of navigation or task progress. I added the buttons that animate the progress to different percentages. This progress bar has 10 steps. The third progress bar has 5 steps, and I added the buttons that animated the progress to different steps. You might have noticed the different steps are labeled differently and have different theme colors. Also, when I hover over these steps you can see different tooltip texts. You can simply refer to the key section at the bottom side of this video. When you see just a number on the step label, it means that the task in this step is still in progress. The checkmark on the step label means that the step was completed successfully. An exclamation mark means that there is a warning on that step. A good example where you can use this warning is when users enter a weak or short password in multiple steps form. The X mark means that an error has occurred on this step. A good example where you can apply this is when a task with multiple steps fails at some steps. Most websites use these kinds of progress indicators on their form, so I'm sure most of you guys have come across something like this when filling in some forms online. That's one place I believe you can use this extension on your Python application. This extension can also be used to indicate the status of some operations or tasks on your app. In case you are wondering which extension I'm talking about and how to use it, then watch this video. You'll get to learn how to add this progress to your user interface using Qt Designer and how you can customize your progress indicators. I'm working on finalizing the documentation for this extension on GitHub. If you have been closely following my videos, then you know that I have created 3 custom extensions for Qt. So guys, I will be releasing all these extensions plus their documentation on GitHub, and when I do, I will leave the links in the description below, so don't forget to check back later in case you didn't find the link. You might be wondering how the user interface looks like in Qt Designer, so here is the preview. I made this source code public for everyone to download from my Patreon page before the official release on GitHub. Check the link in the description below. It really takes a lot of effort to make these kinds of tutorials, so if you like them then leave a like and subscribe for more. That will be really helpful to me and will encourage me to create more videos like this. Also guys, you can support me on Patreon and be among the first people to gain access to content like this and other exclusive contents. Thank you for watching.